In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote your YouTube videos for free with this amazing website. This website has millions of monthly users, so you should start promoting your YouTube videos as a small YouTube channel to get more views, more subscribers, and grow your YouTube channel fast. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do guys is you just need to go to your YouTube channel and choose the video that you want to promote. So for me, for example, I want to promote this YouTube video. What I will do, I will click over here on share. I will copy the link of my video, and what you need to do next is you need to go to Pinterest. You need to open a business account on Pinterest. If you go to Google and you search for Pinterest how many users, you can see over here that Pinterest has 450 million monthly active users. Million of people are using Pinterest. You can get so much traffic to your YouTube videos from Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do guys is you just need to go to Google, search for Pinterest. If you are beginner, search for Pinterest like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next, click over here on home feed and click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so just click on this icon over here. So for example, this is my YouTube thumbnail. Click over here on open, and here you go. What you need to do next is you need to put your YouTube title here, your YouTube description, and your YouTube video link. I will put my YouTube video link here. For title, I will just go back to my YouTube video on YouTube, and I'm gonna copy my title. I can use this title here like this. Go back to Pinterest, put this title here, description. Go back to Pinterest, to your YouTube video, copy your YouTube description. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, click over here on choose a board. If you are new, click on create a board, and it's really easy and simple. You just need to give it a name and you can create as many as you want. Scroll down. I'm gonna just choose, I already create those, I'm gonna choose this one for Pinterest. What you need to do, scroll down and put here tags of your video, keyword of your video. I'm gonna just use those keywords. So my video is about Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm gonna use those keyword here. And what you need to do is you just need to click over here on publish. Okay, like this, and here you go. Your YouTube video will be published to Pinterest. This is your YouTube thumbnail, this is your YouTube video link, and this is your YouTube title, description, and that's it. That's how you can promote YouTube videos for free on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching guys. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.